In this video, we will show you how to use digital document signing in RiskVille. First, you need to head over to the Documents page under your chosen client. Then find the document you wish to send for signature. Then click this button, which will open up a menu. Enter the email of the recipient who you want to sign the document. You can enter more than one email if there are multiple entities who need to sign the document. Write a subject line and a body. Then click Send Email. An email will now be sent to the recipient where they can view and sign the document. If you choose the document which has been sent for digital signing, click on Info, and you will be able to see that electronic signing is not complete yet. The recipient will receive an email similar to this. Click on View Document in the email. They will then be brought to this page. Here on the left side are several tools that can be used. Most important is the feature My Signature. To use, simply select it and click on the page where you want the signature. You can type in your name and a signature will be drawn for you. Another option is to draw your own signature manually. And finally, you can upload a picture of your signature from your computer. For this example, we will draw a signature. If the signature is not placed correctly, you can change the size and position of it. Another feature is adding the date, which can be selected on the left side, and then today's date will be stamped where you wish on the document. Once finished, click Done. Now, a copy of the document with your signature will be sent back to RiskVille. If you want a copy of the signed document, click Get My Document Copy and type in your email or download a PDF copy. In RiskVille, if you choose the document which was sent for digital signing, click on Info, and you will be able to see that electronic signing is complete and a new copy of the document is created as a PDF shown here. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any proposals or questions, reach out to us by email or through our support chat.